Blueberry cardamom cream pie. It's like a marriage between cheesecake with a graham cracker crust and blueberry pie with a twist. Now, it may not be the supermodel of the food world, but it tastes incredible. So check out how to make it so you can try it yourself. So let's start with the blueberry pie filling, because that's going to need a little time to cool to room temp before putting it into the pie crust. So you don't have fresh blueberries? That's okay. You can use frozen as well. Just make sure that you get all of these filling ingredients in the pot all at the same time before heating it up. So mix it around until it's combined really well. Then put it onto the stove, turn up the heat, and let it come to a boil until it thickens and coats the back of this food like this. And then just turn off the heat and let it cool to room temp. For the crust, I crush gluten-free graham crackers and then mix them with sugar and cardamom in a bowl. Add your butter just a little bit at a time to your dry crust ingredients because you may not end up needing all of it. When it starts to look like damp sand like this and you press it against the side of the bowl and it sticks, that's when it's ready to go into the pie plate. You press the crumb mixture really evenly into the pie pan along the bottom and the sides and then pop it in the fridge to let it set. Cream cheese and powdered sugar get blended together silky smooth, and then you spread it on your chilled pie crust right in the bottom for the first layer. Next, you're going to put the cooled blueberry filling on top of the cream cheese layer and then pop it back in the fridge. So after your pie has chilled through in the refrigerator, then all you have to do is just put on the whipped cream, and that is your finishing touch. Turned out perfectly. Take a look at all those beautiful layers in there. You gotta try this blueberry cardamom cream pie. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.